In the quiet moments of our deepest challenges, a question echoes in our minds. Why do I have to go through this? We see our hardship as a wall, an impassable barrier designed to stop us in our tracks. We feel isolated, believing we are being singled out for some unknown reason. But what if we could see it differently? What if this struggle is not a punishment, but a profound form of preparation? Life isn't trying to break you, it's trying to build you. It's forging you in the fires of adversity, not to turn you to ash, but to temper you into steel. Every challenge you face is building a kind of strength you can't get any other way. It's building your emotional muscle. Think of the marathon runner who endures months of grueling training, pushing their body past its limits. Or the couple navigating a difficult season, learning to communicate and forgive, their bond deepening with every resolved conflict. This is how resilience is born. Struggle makes you resilient. It teaches you patience when you want to give up. It teaches you empathy, allowing you to understand the pain of others because you have known your own. And it teaches you faith, not just in a higher power, but in your own unwavering ability to endure. Without the pressure, the diamond would never form. Without the chisel, the sculpture would remain uncarved. Without struggle, your true strength would never exist. So when you find yourself in the thick of it, remember this. First, just breathe. Inhale courage, exhale fear. Ground yourself in this present moment. Next, reframe your perspective. This isn't happening you, it's happening you. Ask not why me, but what is this teaching me? And finally, persevere. Take one more step, write one more word. Endure one more minute. Your pain has a purpose. You are being shaped, refined, and prepared for something far greater than this moment. The person you are becoming on the other side of this is worth the fight. Keep going. Your future self is waiting to thank you.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.